Dealing with nail fungus? Here's how a ToeFX Photodisinfection treatment works inside a clinical setting. Step 1. Clinical assessment. Every session begins with a full assessment of the toenails. If the nails show obvious signs of fungal infection, such as thickening, yellowing, or brittle texture, treatment may begin right away. But if the diagnosis is not clinically evident, a small nail sample is taken and sent to the laboratory for confirmation before proceeding. This ensures that the correct condition is being treated. Step 2. Filing and debridement of all nails. Once the diagnosis is confirmed, the first step of the actual treatment involves filing down all the toenails. Using a professional podiatry drill, the practitioner gently reduces thickened areas, smooths uneven surfaces, and removes any overgrowth of the nail plate. Both affected and unaffected nails are filed to ensure consistency, better hygiene, and improved light penetration during the ToeFX process. This careful preparation helps create the ideal surface for the rest of the treatment to work effectively. Step 3. Cleansing the nails. After filing, every nail is thoroughly cleansed with an alcohol wipe. This removes debris, oils, and dust, ensuring that the next product adheres properly and evenly. ToeFX is an Health Canada approved treatment designed to improve nail appearance in people with fungal nail infections. Multiple sessions are typically required since nails grow slowly and results appear gradually over time. With a success rate of around 76%, ToeFX offers a safe, non-invasive approach without the need for oral medications or surgical nail removal. Step 4. Application of the ToeFX solution. A specially formulated ToeFX solution is then applied to each nail. This step is important because the solution is designed to prepare the nail for light activation later in the process. The practitioner applies the product carefully, making sure every surface of the nail is fully coated, including the edges, corners, and any grooves where fungal organisms commonly hide. The solution is applied to all nails, not just the visibly affected ones, to help maintain consistency and prevent missed areas that could lead to reinfection. Once applied, the solution must remain on the nails for approximately 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the product to properly settle and interact with the nail surface, ensuring it is ready for infrared activation. During this time, the solution begins working at a microscopic level, preparing the nail plate so the upcoming light therapy can be more effective. This step may appear simple, but it plays a vital role in the ToeFX system, setting the foundation for the infrared light to target the fungal structures within the nail. Step 5. Infrared light activation. Once the solution has set, the toes are placed under an infrared light. This light helps activate the applied solution and supports the breakdown of fungal structures within the nail. This step is painless and non-invasive, making ToeFX a gentle option for patients. For proper assessment and personalized care, consult your nurse practitioner or foot care specialist. Thank you for watching.